Guys, what is up? Jason Flagel here. I'm going to share with you briefly how I helped a company go from $25,000 a month in revenue all the way up to $90,000 a month in revenue just by implementing one small thing. I worked with this e-commerce company, Crawl-Space DIY, implemented an exit intent pop-up strategy that literally paid for itself within 2 hours. We spent $3,500 and ended up making $90,000 in 1 month at the end of a 4-month campaign. It's really simple to do. I had an article published in Marketing and Growth Hacking publication on medium.com. Highly recommend you guys checking out 4 simple things that you can implement in your e-commerce brand where you're going to generate the results that you want, and you're also going to serve your customers. So I highly recommend checking out. I'll provide the link in the details. And without further ado, guys, remember to keep moving forward. Thanks.